Hey man, it's time to get to work today.
Competition level going up. All the way up.
Time to win today. Time to dominate.
First day of joint practice versus Detroit Lions, man. We here to work. We're here to get better. Let's get it.
Ready to work?
Finally get to go against somebody else.
What's the problem?
It's gonna be a good day.
We about to set the tone, man. Home court advantage. We got to keep it that way.
We all athletic enough. It's about mindset and demeanor. Pre-snap. Let's go. Win, baby. Dominate on three. 1, 2, 3.
Dominate. Come on.
Come on, baby. Hey, I'm trying to keep my cool. Good. Keep the shoulder square.
Don't count the plays, make the plays count, baby. Let's ride.
More urgency to start so we can line up and play.
We're excited about the work. We know we've got a good practice partner. They got plenty of challenges for us, you know. Between the receiver position, this D line, I mean, Lawrence is one of the best that's in the game right now.
Yeah, it's all about competition. So new faces, new schemes. You know, we're going to focus on doing well our part and have 2 good days of practice.
Bang, bang. That's how we work, baby. That's how we play ball, baby. Let's go.
I wasn't enough. I need more.
Cool. No.
Oh, I'm like, why is this camera following you? Got me feeling like you mic'd up.
The camera love me, bro.
You like to talk. But it's not like